Here we go. True sports talk, let the talk begin. Let's let that talk begin. True sports talk, true sports talk, true sports talk, true sports talk. Let's let the talk begin. True sports talk, true sports talk, true sports talk, true sports talk. Let's let the talk begin.
Welcome to True Sports Talk. Let's let the talk begin. And what we're talking about, Bernard Hopkins versus Roy Jones Jr. This video are for those people who actually care about this fight. Me, I don't. I didn't care about it 17 years ago. I don't care about it now. And the reason why I don't care about it now is 10 years too late. I'm a big Roy Jones Jr. fan and supporter. I don't even want to see this fight. Why? I don't want to see Roy Jones Jr., who hasn't been the same since Tarver knocked him out in 04, which was a lucky punch. But anyway, he just hasn't been the same fighter. Yes, he's been winning, but he hasn't been the same. Check out his last fight. He was pummeled in the first round. All the excuses in the world doesn't make up for the fact that you got knocked out in the first round. The ref had to stop you. No excuse can make up for that. B-Hop, he's been consistent. He's been a consistent fighter. But he's not an exciting fighter by any means, in my book. If you look at all his fights, they go 12 rounds all the time. He hasn't stopped anybody since De La Hoya in 04. So this is what we're going to see Saturday night. You're going to see a long, drawn-out fight and B-Hop winning on the cards. That's your breakdown. Now, if you think it's going to go something different, go ahead, write it down. But I got B-Hop, even though I'm a Roy Jones Jr. fan. He just doesn't have it anymore. He doesn't. True Sports Talk. I'm out.